Anna, good morning.
Hi, Victor. Good morning and good
Good to see
afternoon for
you.
those in Spain.
Well, I thank you for joining us again here at Metropolitan. You know, we're always trying to make sure that we're adding value to the expat experience. And as usual, you're taking on another subject that is near and dear to the heart of anybody who has moved to Spain and wants to make the attempt at buying their dream home a reality. But there's lots of legal questions, and you being the legal expert, this is an excellent opportunity to help add value. Can you talk to me about the event that's going to take place?
Sure, it's an event that we are organizing together with Lucas Fox and Euro American Financial Advisors. That is going to be about real estate investors in investing in Spain for North American clients specifically.
Okay, so why is this event only for North American clients?
Well, as you know, US and Spain have very strong bilateral trade and investment. And as an English-speaking law firm in Spain, in particular, we work with many investors coming from these countries, from the US and Canada. And also because the purchase of real estate in the US and Canada and in Spain is quite different. So we thought that we may give some, hints for investors thinking of doing it in Spain. But we certainly have plans to do similar events for other audiences, in particular for British clients in the future.
Okay. And what do you think you're going to be talking about? Can you share a little bit about with us?
Sure. From my side, I will speak about the legal process of buying real estate in Spain, like how long it takes, what contracts you need to sign, the role of lawyers and notary public, what the property registry does, what function it has, and also how to get your NIE number when you plan to buy real estate in Spain. That's just briefly.
Okay. And will you be covering the main problems and pitfalls?
Sure, yes, we will speak about main pitfalls in the purchase process and how to avoid them as much as possible.
Okay, and can you give us a little sample of what people might be able to expect?
Yeah, sure. It can be, all sorts of things and problems they can arise. Yes, like for example, hidden defects, that you may not be aware of when you are buying it, but then they can appear, that result in extra costs. And examples, like very typical in Barcelona, in the old houses, there is one thing that is called technical inspections of the building. That, for all these beautiful old buildings that we have in Barcelona that require maintenance and reparations. And sometimes the clients are not informed of the future costs, that they may have when they buy. And this is like one of the things. No, it's not a major problem, but it can definitely add an extra cost. And there are many others that we will try to cover them in the talk.
Excellent. This is going to be very helpful for people who are not accustomed to buying in Spain. What about some of the, questions regarding the golden visa? What is a golden visa, and is that something you'll be addressing?
Yes, definitely. It's going to, be one important part of the talks, as many investors, in particular from North America, they are carrying out that investment to have the possibility to live in Spain. And this type of visa is very useful because it gives the right not just to live, but only work in Spain and set up a business. No? So we'll talk about the process, who qualifies, timeline, briefly go through necessary documents, etc.
Okay. And how about taxes? Taxes is always a very important thing.
Indeed, yes. And that is very important part, and it will be covered by my colleague, Sergi Garces, who is an expert in international tax law, and in particular work with many clients, again, from North America. So he will cover both taxes on when you buy the property and also what taxes you need to pay when you own it. And it is a very important part for investors to know, to understand the costs, of how much it is, not just to buy, but also to keep your property in Spain on a yearly basis. He will also give some hints on, this typical question that we receive very frequently. what's better to buy the property as an individual or as an entity. He will talk about this as well.
All righty. And what other topics might be covered there?
Yes, then we have also my partners, in this event, Euro-American financial advisors. They will speak about financial planning considerations and structured investment for North Americans. And Lucas Fox, real estate agency, will talk about the market, real estate market in Spain in general, some tendencies. And of course, last but not the least, the event host, Sabadell Bank, will talk about very briefly about the banking system in Spain and what they can offer and how they facilitate the process for investors coming from the US and Canada.
Okay. And can you share us with one more time? This is going to be on which date at what time, just to make sure people get it right?
Yes, it's going to be next Tuesday, 23rd of January at 6 p.m. So we can have both, people who are currently in Spain and those who want to connect from the US or from Canada. And everybody is welcome to join. The event is free of any charge, and we look forward to seeing as many of you as can. And of course, feel free to ask us any questions or doubts that you have about the process.
Now, would people who are not from North America also be able to learn a few things there?
Definitely, yes. As we will cover some parts that they are specific, just to see the differences between the purchase process, etc. But the information on the general purchase process, golden visa application, and just some, general tendencies of the Spanish real estate market, they are the same for everybody. So if you are not from these two countries, but still are interested in the process of investing in real estate in Spain, feel free to join as well. And if you have any questions that are specific to your, country, we are always there to answer any questions that you may have.
Okay, and then a more general question, Ms. Klevtsova. Can you talk to us a little bit more, share what Clev and Vera is all about, what you guys are, a little bit of self-promotion, please, don't be shy.
Sure, yes. We are a law firm that specializes in offering legal advice in Spain for international investors. And in particular, we cover such areas as real estate law, all sorts of contracts that you need to sign, notary, deeds, etc., due diligence. All immigration-related stuff, what permits you need to live in Spain, to work in Spain, set up a business in Spain as a foreigner, buy an existing business, invest in different projects in Spain, sign contracts, etc., etc. And one of the departments that we have is also for family law with international clients. If you want to get married in Spain, get divorced in Spain, receive an inheritance in Spain, or all sorts of, conflicts in Spain that unfortunately may happen, in the case of your, your life in Spain or you're doing business in Spain. We have also some colleagues that will assist you in solving those problems.
Okay. Well, we look forward to seeing you on, that's Tuesday, correct? The 23rd? Correct.
Tuesday afternoon. Afternoon in Spain, morning in North America.
Right. So make it nice and easy for people who are across the Atlantic to also learn a little bit more here. And if there's any other questions, please let us know. I'll put in some information in the text to be able to reach Anna or Euro Advisors and Euro American Financial Advisors, sorry, EAFA, as well as the location for the event. It's Banco Sabadell at the International, hub. And I look forward to seeing you again there. Anna?
Thank you very much, Victor. It's always very helpful to have you around.
All righty. So we're going to spread this word, and I'll see you then. Let's learn about real estate.
Thank you, Victor.
Take care.
Bye. Bye-bye.